If you've ever cooked brown rice and it came out mushy, or tried multigrain and it ended up crunchy in all the wrong places, yeah, you already know why a basic rice cooker just doesn't cut it. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 best high-end rice cookers built specifically for specialized grains and tricky textures, not the cheap plug-and-pray models, the ones that actually think about what they're doing. Links to everything are in the description. Let's get into it. Starting at number 1, and it's not a close call. This is the Zojirushi NW-JEC10BA, made in Japan, and it runs pressure cooking, induction heating, and premium convection all at the same time. That triple tech combination pushes pressure up to 19.1 psi, raising the boiling point above 212 degrees, forcing heat deeper into each grain. The result is rice that's chewier, sweeter, and more developed than anything a standard cooker can produce. What really sets this apart is the AI learning system. There's a My Rice feature. You rate your rice after each cook, and the machine gradually adjusts its process to match your exact preference. Firmness, stickiness, it dials those in over time. Zojirushi calls it My Rice 49 Ways. That's real machine learning inside a rice cooker, not just a buzzword. Grain coverage is the widest on this list. White rice at 5 texture levels, umami, mixed, sushi, jasmine, porridge, congee, brown, GABA brown, steel-cut oatmeal, quick white, and quick jasmine. 12 plus settings. The GABA brown setting holds the cooker at 104 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 hours before cooking starts, activating GABA amino acids in the brown rice and increasing their content by up to 1.5 times. If you're cooking for health reasons, that's a meaningful and verified difference. Pros: AI learns your exact rice preference. Triple tech, pressure, IH, and convection. 12 plus grain and specialty settings. GABA activation up to 1.5 times. Cons: premium flagship pricing. Overkill for casual everyday cooking. Alright, moving to number 2. The Cuckoo CRP-LHTR1009FW uses twin pressure cooking, and it's not marketing fluff. Standard pressure cookers lock in at one pressure level the entire cook. This one switches between high and low pressure mid-cycle, creating layered texture in every grain. The outside comes out plump and chewy, the inside stays tender. That nuance is something single pressure machines physically can't produce. Add induction heating, which wraps heat around the entire inner pot rather than just pushing it from the bottom, and you get precise, consistent temperature control throughout. That especially matters with larger batches, and this thing handles 10 cups of uncooked rice. Menu depth is impressive. 25 verified operating modes including white, GABA brown, multigrain, porridge, scorched rice, veggie rice, glutinous, baby food, high pressure steam, non-pressure steam, and more. The multigrain setting is specifically optimized for whole grains like farro and barley that need longer, more careful hydration cycles. And the 3-language voice guide, English, Korean, and Chinese, actually makes navigating 25 modes approachable. Pros: twin pressure creates sticky or fluffy results. 25 cooking modes for grains and beyond. IH surrounds entire pot for even heat. Auto clean maintains pressure components. Cons: 10 cup size is too large for small households. Heavier and bulkier than 5.5 cup models. Number 3, and Tiger earns its spot here without question. The JKT-D10U runs full induction heating, but the implementation matters. IH runs an alternating electric current around the entire 1.5mm 3-layer ceramic powder-coated inner pot, not just underneath it. Heat comes from all sides simultaneously. The result is uniform cooking edge to edge, not just at the bottom. You can feel it in the texture. That ceramic pot is also scratch resistant and genuinely easy to clean. Inner lid and steam gaskets are fully detachable and washable. Practical for a machine you're using daily. 12 settings cover the range: plain, premium, quick, express limited cups, multigrain, long grain, brown, GABA brown porridge, mixed sweet, slow cook, and cake bake. That dedicated long grain setting is a nice specific addition. Basmati and jasmine genuinely behave differently under heat than short grain varieties, and most machines at this tier don't bother accounting for that. The express mode is something people sleep on. It cooks a smaller white rice batch in as little as 17 minutes. Busy weeknight, forgot to start early, that's your backup. And the GABA brown setting does the same extended pre-soak process. Extra soaking time at temperature to activate amino acids before cooking begins. Pros: IH heats entire ceramic pot uniformly. 12 settings including long grain and cake bake. Express mode cooks rice in just 17 minutes. Fully detachable lid for easy cleaning. Cons: no pressure cooking like the top 2 picks. Smaller brand presence, fewer service centers. Number 4, the Zojirushi NW-JEC10, but the technology is real. NeuroFuzzy logic means the cooker thinks on its own during the cook cycle. It's continuously sensing moisture levels, adjusting temperature, and modifying heating time based on what it detects. Grain type, how much rice is loaded, ambient room temperature. A standard cooker runs a fixed program. This one adapts in real time. Wirecutter even documented this specifically. When they intentionally mismeasured the rice to water ratio, the NeuroFuzzy was the only cooker that compensated well enough to still produce genuinely good rice. That's a real-world test, and it matters. This model has been Wirecutter's long-running pick for best rice cooker for Japanese-style rice. It delivers near flagship level quality at a fraction of the Zojirushi Pressure IH price. That gap is significant in the real world. Menu settings cover white rice in regular or sushi sub-mode. Softer, harder, mixed, porridge, sweet, semi-brown, brown, rinse-free, and quick. The sushi mode is specifically tuned for that firm, sticky, glossy texture real sushi rice needs. There's a delay timer and auto keep warm as well. No pressure cooking, no induction heating, but for everyday grain cooking, you really don't need either at this price point. Pros. NeuroFuzzy chip adapts to mismeasurements. Wirecutter and CNN underscored top pick. Dedicated sushi sub mode built in. Best value for the quality delivered. Cons. No pressure cooking or induction heating. Slower cook times than pressure models. And rounding out the list at number 5, the Cuckoo CRP-P1009SO. This is the more accessible Cuckoo model and the entry point into real pressure rice cooking without the twin pressure price tag. 10 cups uncooked, 20 cooked. Big family size. The high pressure system delivers consistently improved results on glutinous rice, brown rice, GABA rice, porridge, and more. Pressure cooking accelerates the process and improves texture in ways that non-pressure cooking simply can't match. And this machine brings that capability at a noticeably lower price than the 2 machines above it on this list. The auto clean function is a highlight here too. Once cooking finishes, the machine runs a steam clean cycle on its own interior. On pressure cookers, keeping the valves and gaskets clean directly affects both performance and food safety, so having that automated is a meaningful convenience feature. The inner lid is also detachable for manual washing. 13 menu modes: glutinous white, glutinous turbo, mixed rice, brown rice, GABA, rice, porridge, nurungji, multi-cook, high heat, plus reheat and keep warm. Fuzzy logic detects grain type and internal temperature automatically, so you're not guessing. 3-language voice guide in English, Korean, and Chinese comes standard. Pros. High pressure improves grain texture noticeably. Auto clean steams interior automatically. Shouting modes including GABA and nurungji. Best price entry into pressure cooking. Cons. Single pressure only, not twin pressure. 10 cup capacity too big for smaller households. Alright, let's wrap this up. For the absolute best money can buy, Zojirushi NW-JEC10BA at number 1. AI learning, triple technology, 12 settings. Nothing touches it. For texture versatility, Cuckoo twin pressure at number 2. The dual mode pressure system is genuinely unique and worth the price if you cook different grain types regularly. For a hidden gem that's underrated, Tiger JKT-D10U at number 3. Great IH system, long grain setting, express cook, and solid build quality. For the best value play, Zojirushi NeuroFuzzy at number 4. Expert approved, Wirecutter recommended, near flagship results at a much lower price. And for large families who want pressure cooking without overspending, Cuckoo CRP-P1009SO at number 5, auto clean, 13 modes, solid pressure performance. Strong pick. Hopefully this helped you figure out which one actually fits what you're looking for, because the right rice cooker really depends on how you cook and who you're cooking for. If this was useful, drop a like and subscribe. More buying guides just like this coming soon. Thanks for watching.